Classy and fashionable, Collection Moda never fails to impress. We have the highlights from the showcase last week at Spanish Court Hotel.
It's Collection Moda, the perfect avenue for local talent, local artists, local fashion designers to be displayed in an atmosphere that promotes their business and promotes the talent that exists in the Caribbean in the fashion and creative industries. We heard that the Spanish Court Hotel was the host of Collection Moda Runway, so we decided to take a pre. What are your thoughts on the Collection Moda Runway?
Well, I actually saw some really, really nice pieces. Carlton Run, as usual, delivered. And there was the Project Runway. I forget her first name, but the winner of Project Runway. She had some fabulous pieces. I definitely see a few at Bad Moda Market. So it was good.
Is this your first time at Moda?
No, actually, it's not my first time. It's probably my third time.
What's on the collections that you saw tonight?
The collections, they were great. But I think the Collection Moda overall, again, never disappoints. It's actually the most premier fashion event that anybody wants to go to. And when you come here, it's a testament to the hard work, the dedication, and the passion that goes into it. And you can see the intricacies that goes into also choosing the designers, because they were just flawless.
The staging was pretty good. I mean, I've been with Collection Moda from the inception, so I've been to all of them, and in fact, I think I prefer this venue, and the vibe was right.
First of all, let me say that you had some really lovely pieces tonight. What was the inspiration behind the collection?
Thank you. The inspiration was really the Caribbean and sort of dressing glamorously but comfortably at the same time.
And describe the pieces to me, the cuts and the type of materials that you chose for the pieces.
All of the materials are silks. Some of them are prints. I love the texture of silk in general, and I think for the weather it makes a lot of sense. The prints are really inspired by nature and art. They're exotic, but also glamorous.
Today you saw my Spring 17 collection, and I come to the islands a lot. I don't know if you could tell in the collection how much I love the islands. So I'm Mexican American, so color is always a part of my collection. Prints and textiles are a big part of what drives my inspiration, and I love it. I love color, you know. So it's a big part of that is where I come from and where I get to visit. I get to come to your island all the time.
For sure, we've grown every single year in every way. Moda Market is now over 2 days. Moda Market started with 25 exhibitors. Second year was 50. This year it's 75. So growth in every way, growth in adding more categories to Moda Market. So we've introduced Moda Art this year. We've introduced kids activities this year. So there's definitely growth, but we have a 10-year plan, and we try to follow that plan.
It's been an amazing journey, and I think tonight our designers really delivered. They came with fresh, beautiful collections and really did their best. So we're excited about it.
How important is this runway aspect to the overall success of Collection Moda?
So it's very important because people are excited to come and see fashion. They love the models, they like the runway, they love fashion. People like fashion. Jamaicans like getting dressed up. So it is important because we use it to get people to understand that we're moving from runway to retail, because that doesn't happen very often in the region. So it's a regional platform, and then Moda Market is about bringing all the visitors to Jamaica to attend the whole series of events.
Now here's the latest in e-news with Kalia.
Welcome to this week's e-news. I'm Kalia. For For a second week, Sean Paul holds firm at the top of the UK pop singles chart. The song is by British electronic group Clean Bandit, titled Rockabye, featuring singer Anne-Marie. This has given Sean his third number one in the UK. Sean's biggest selling single in the UK to date is Cheap Thrills, featuring Sia, which has to date sold over 475,000 copies. Last week, 2 new singles from Sean Paul were released internationally. They are Take Way Ya Hot, featuring Tory Lanez, and No Lie, featuring Dua Lipa. Singer Al Third from the boy group One Third is releasing an EP in January 2017. The EP comprises of 4 songs. Since he embarked on solo projects, Al Third has released songs including For Tonight, I Fret, and a cover of Sam Smith's I'm Not the Only One. DJ Eva Hype has released a music video for his latest single, Para Siempre, which means I Will Love You Forever. The song was produced by Jamaican producer Calix, with the video, which was shot on location in Panama. The video was directed by Kai Dixon. Reggae artist Demo Delgado has added business entrepreneur to his resume. He recently opened Donna's Caribbean, a patty manufacturing and distribution outlet in Hawthorne, California. The outlet distributes patties across the U.S., and one of its major clients is the Golden Krust franchise in the United States.
Good vibes, my comfort bringer. Jaja give you everything.
And those were the stories making this week's E-News. I'm Kalia.
Now we're on to our final commercial break, but before we go, let's listen up to this very important road safety tip, courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited.
In light of recent traffic accidents involving trucks, here are a few road safety tips for truck drivers. Before heading on the road, make sure you give your truck a proper checkup. While truck maintenance is crucial, your health is just as important. Use proper signals so other drivers are aware of your intent to change lanes. If you're feeling tired, pull over and get some rest. It's best to arrive late than not to arrive at all. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back with top, we own waistline. Cut the cart, no ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
We no hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real stardust. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.